want to apply for the winter semester 2026 without watching this video till the end. If you have already legalized your documents and you are planning to apply in the winter semester, in the next 5 minutes, I will show you how to choose the right universities, the types of universities in Austria, and the processes of the application step by step. Before choosing a school, you need to understand the types of universities in Austria. Number one is the public universities. They are state funded, though they are very competitive, but they are also very affordable. Private universities have more flexible admissions and less competitive to get into, but they are more expensive. University of Applied Sciences (FH), which is in German called Fachhochschule. These are more practical oriented universities. They're usually smaller in size and are also more expensive for international students or for foreigners, though they are more modeled to what we call the polytechnic in the Nigerian educational system. Though at the end of the day, you would still be awarded with a bachelor's or master's degree just like any other university. Most of the courses or programs in this FH, Fachhochschule Applied Universities, are in German. In this video, we're going to be using the website studienwahl.at, which is one of the best tools for finding university programs in Austria. Open studienwahl.at, filter by degree level, that's either bachelor's or master's, the language of instruction, English or German, and the field of study you would want to do your bachelor's or your master's in. For this sample, we're going to be using the master's degree English language, and we're going to do something related to business administration. So StudienWahl helps you compare programs, but you should never stop here. Always try to verify information on the official university's website. For winter semester 2026, most applications are open between December 2025 up until March or April 2026. Once you find a program, always go to the university's official website. On the website, you can check for admission requirements page, language requirements, documents needed, and the application portal. This is where you confirm exact requirements. Do not confirm this on third-party websites, even this StudienWahl included. My advice is to shortlist 3 to 5 universities, mix public and private universities if possible, and always cross-check the university's admission requirements and deadlines on their official websites. If you want personalized guidance through this application process, you can always book a consultation with me. The link to booking this consultation is on my profile bio here on TikTok and also on my YouTube page. Subscribe and follow me if you're planning to study in Austria. I share practical guides and Austrian lifestyle in general. See you in my next video. Bye!